can see fonts everywhere, in designs, in videos, in posters, in flyers, everywhere. But sometimes there are certain fonts you need to use, but you don't know how to find them, or you don't know the names. So guys, today I'm going to reveal a website you can solve this problem. To do that, just go to the Google and type like this in Google. What? And click the first link right here, and you can simply paste a link, or you can simply upload the image. Now I'm going to upload the image. The image is uploading, and at the same time it's identifying the image. And now you can see all the fonts are selected by the tool, and I want this, the middle one, and I'm gonna click this and drag like this gradually and click identify font. Okay guys, now you can see the desired font you needed, and the font names right here, and you can simply Google the font and download or use them. Thank you.